Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a very good deal today to get these paper products over at Walgreens for $1 each. We're going to look at this deal 3 different ways, and we are doing this curbside, meaning you order this stuff through the Walgreens app, drive to the store and pick it up. Boom, that's the magic. And we're going to look at it 3 different ways as well. So first off, this coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon, is expiring on the 27th, which is Saturday. So we're basically getting a lot of these paper products for $3.50. I think it's very comparable to Scott or Angel Soft. And if you used it already, how you're going to retrieve it is you're going to go in your digital coupons folder, go to the subcategory household, and it should be itemized in there, and you're just going to have to reload it. And these Walgreens coupons, once you've used them, you can go back and get them again to reload. So hopefully that is crystal clear in case you used it in a curbside deal earlier in the month and you're like, how do I reload it? That's how you reload it. Now it is attaching to the following 2 products. That is the of course they're both $5, but the 9 count of the toilet paper, very similar to Angel Soft, and then the 6 count of the paper towel. Now we go through a ton of paper towel in our household, so definitely this is a stock up, and it's of a very good quality as well. I've been using it for the last month or so. No problems or issues with it. Now, for one deal, we're going to use one of these boosters. For the second deal, we're going to stack both of them. So it's going to be a pretty extreme deal. However, if you are not about this, you're just like, hey, I just want to not spend a lot out of pocket this week, we have a deal for you guys, just using Walgreens cash. Again, we're doing this curbside. So this is deal number 1, and anyone can do this deal as long as you have the Walgreens cash to cover it. So we're going to throw in 4, and if you want to mix and match, get some paper towel, toilet paper, you may do so. So here it is. The code pickup15 is taken $2.12 off, and it worked this morning, which is the 23rd, along with that Walgreens coupon taking another $6 off. $20, $8.16 with pickup 15 and the IVC coupon or the Walgreens coupon. And then so the total there is $12 and some change. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay down the balance and go get your cheap paper towel or toilet paper. Okay, so deal number 2, if you have been shopping at Walgreens for the last month and you have been tracking for this and you're able to put $30 into your basket and see $20 pop up, that means you've achieved this, which is the purchase 4, get back 20, and you were able to load this booster the first week of July. So if you have this and you're able to see that, oh, this is going to work for me, we're just going to get a $30 basket for this one. Okay, so for this one, we're going to throw in 11 paper products. If you want to get like 5 toilet papers and 6 paper towels, or 11 of one product, you decide. That is going to be exactly $55. Now the code pickup15 along with that Walgreens coupon, you can see it right here, $5.83 and $16.50 melting off. That's why I'm encouraging to do this as a curbside, so you can use pickup15. So the overall total is 55, subtracting 23.33, and a bit of tax with your debit card as you're using that spend booster of for the last spend 30 to get back 20. You got to use your debit card for the balance, and then you're getting back $22.75. The computer is tricked here that you've spent 55, but you've actually spent 33 because all of those instant value promotion codes, it dips your total below 50. So you're only going to get $20 back for this one, but still very sensible and a smaller basket if your store is super strict about how many you can purchase, etc. And I really recommend that you go ASAP to pick up your order once you've put it in, because it's a lot of paper. Deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. We're going to be throwing in the 10 back when you spend 50, along with the one below, which is the make 4 purchases, get a 20 back. And we're spending $50 in this, so we're going to achieve both and get $30 back. This out of pocket is pretty extreme, so if this is not your thing, obviously not your deal. If you're into stocking up on paper, this is the one for you. So we're going to grab 17 products. So you can do 10 and 7, or you can figure out the math however you want to, but the number is 17. Just to show you, we have pickup 15 taking off $9 and a penny, and then that IVC coupon or the Walgreens coupon $25.50 melting off right there. That is an extreme amount. So the overall total is $85, subtracting $34.51. You're exactly at your $50 mark. I believe it's $50.49, free tax. So with your debit card, you're going to pay that $53 as you have two different spend boosters in play. And then you're getting back $34, subtracting it from the original $50.49. It shakes it out to like $16 and some change for the 17 paper products, roughly about $1 per. If you're an extreme couponer, you know the value for this one, and I would make it happen. Also, if you're stockpiling a lot of paper in a certain room in your basement, don't be shy to pick these up at Dollar Tree. It really helps to keep the paper dry, especially in hot, humid conditions. And before I skedaddle, this is unmarked clearance at a lot of Walgreens near me. This Olay Mini Sensitive, $4.99, subtracting that digital coupon, $2.99. I have this and a whole bunch of other clever matchups in yesterday's curbside video. You might want to check it out. You can do this curbside or in store to get this Olay Mini for $2.99. Good luck with the paper products, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.